for us, it's clearly an exceptional market open again, and an exceptional one because of who and what Cybin is. Cybin, a life sciences biotech organization focusing on addressing what is another plague that is affecting our society.
We chose to list on the NEO exchange as we share your passion for innovation and creativity and disruption. And so in that sense, the NEO exchange is an ideal partner for us as we aim to transform and advance the field of psychedelic therapeutics. This listing not only provides us with a broader platform to drive our growth strategy, but also gives us increased access to capital, enhanced visibility within the investment community, and most importantly, a tremendous opportunity to bring innovative treatment options to patients who can benefit. And the timing couldn't have been better. I mean, there's never been a greater need to develop and deliver improved treatment options for people with mental health challenges. And we're making significant progress advancing our clinical work. This space has lacked innovation for some time, and we're about to change that. And add to that the shifting perception of psychedelics and the growing acceptance of psilocybin's potential therapeutic use. And these are exciting times.
Maybe we clear the opening.
And again, congratulations.
Thank you.
We commissioned through our partnership with OCAD University, the Ontario College of Art and Design, and the person that you see here, Jinky Wang, sadly enough could not join us today for this opening. Jinky reflected on his experience shared by many during the COVID-19 pandemic, and what he wanted to express is the notion that despite sorrow and hardship, we can prevail through that darkness by coming together as a community in a spirit of recovery. And he drew inspiration from Cybin as a life sciences company on a mission to tackle the issues of mental and neurological illnesses, which is especially important today, as we all know, during these trying times of quarantine and lockdown imposed upon us by the pandemic in which we are. Jinky incorporated a psychedelic style into his artwork, giving the audience an impression of a fantastical and surreal world. It's about imagination, exploration, innovation, and a sense of hope in uncovering solutions as we strive to overcome adversity. The landscape of the image reflects our emotions, our hopes, and our dreams throughout the journey of discovery. Jinky would like to thank us for giving him this amazing opportunity to create beautiful art, and he wants to offer all his congratulations to Cybin for becoming a public listed company. Let's unveil it. Let's see it.
Oh, wow.
There we go. Aurora. Doug, I'll let you maybe say a few words.
It's incredible and so very appropriate and relevant to what we're doing. We love it. And this whole concept that you guys have of supporting emerging artists is fabulous. And it seems particularly relevant today as Cybin is emerging as a leader and as the field of psychedelics is emerging. So thank you. It's truly a one-of-a-kind creation, a bit like the novel formulations we're creating. So it seems just so perfectly matched to us. So thank you from all of us at Cybin. We believe that Cybin is driving the much needed innovation in this space. This is truly an exciting time for us, for our company, for a number of reasons. As you noted, we recently completed a private placement, reverse takeover, and today we're very excited to be listed on the NEO exchange. We're also working towards filing an investigational new drug application, an IND, with the US Food and Drug Administration. And then we expect to submit a request for breakthrough therapy status. At the same time, we're seeing a shift in the perception of psychedelics. Just look at what took place last week during the US elections. Oregon became the first state to legalize psilocybin for mental health therapy, and DC Initiative 81, which decriminalizes certain psychedelic substances, passed as well. While nothing will change overnight, these initiatives validate the growing movement and acceptance of psilocybin's potential therapeutic use. For those that are new to Cybin, let me share a bit of background and why we have such high hopes for psilocybin. Psilocybin is a non-habit forming, naturally occurring psychedelic prodrug thought to be produced by more than 200 species of mushrooms. The pharmacokinetics, the pharmacology, the human metabolism of psilocybin are well known and well characterized. And once it's ingested, it rapidly metabolizes to psilocin, which then acts on serotonin receptors in the brain. And research is showing potential positive results for depression, anxiety, PTSD, addictions, eating disorders, attention deficit disorder, and other indications. It's incredible, the scope. And against this backdrop, let me touch on 3 reasons why we think Cybin is emerging as a leader in this segment. First, we have a unique approach to the market. Second, we have made great progress on some of our recent milestones. And third, we currently expect our innovative sublingual psilocybin formulation to support our goal of being among the first commercially approved psychedelic therapies globally. In the past few months, we've secured sufficient GMP psilocybin active pharmaceutical ingredient, or API, to support our lead sponsored clinical program. Last July, we entered into a strategic partnership with Intelgenix for the development of sublingual films to deliver psilocybin. This innovative mechanism of delivery for psilocybin has exciting potential and could really transform how patients suffering from depression are treated. This partnership provides us access to patented proprietary technology related to film-based delivery systems. And with this state-of-the-art technology, we have the ability to design customized film products with volumes ranging from R&D quantities to millions of commercial doses. And here is where the true innovation lies. And this isn't just aspirational, futuristic, or theoretical thinking. We're doing this work now, today. As I mentioned up front, our goal is to be the first company to get regulatory approval for our psilocybin therapy. To achieve this, we're planning to start our sponsored sublingual psilocybin clinical study for MDD in early 2021. It's a phase 2 study with 2 components. Phase 2A is an open label, 5-arm study to investigate the pharmacokinetics and to determine the safety and efficacy of the psilocybin sublingual film compared to a 25 milligram oral capsule. The primary objective is to determine the equivalent dose of the sublingual film that should be administered. Phase 2B is a randomized placebo-controlled study to determine the safety and efficacy of the sublingual film versus placebo in 120 patients with MDD.
You guys should be very proud about what you're doing, and I can tell you that we at the Neo Exchange are extremely proud that you choose us as your main board.